Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a kidnapping. A 5-week-old baby was snatched yesterday, and I wanted to talk about it. So let's get into this video. The Halfway Tree Police Station are urgently seeking the public's assistance in locating a 5-week-old Nair Frank of Hopewell District, St. Andrew, who was stolen from his mother on Sunday afternoon. The police report that about 5 p.m. the woman was walking with the infant along Roseau Road in the parish when a motor car drove up with 3 men aboard. One of the men reportedly exited the vehicle and forced the mother and child into the motor car. The men subsequently took the child and released the mother from the vehicle. A report was made at Halfway Police Station and an investigation immediately launched. Anyone with information on the whereabouts of 5-week-old Nair Frank or those involved in the incident are being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police Station at 876-926-8184, Crime Stop at 311, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. So that is what the information that the police have on this baby. I'm going to talk about what else is being said about this stolen baby and why the woman supposedly had the baby with her. And people are saying them trick the baby mother and IG if you show up with clothes for your baby and then kidnap her and then push her out the taxi and thief her baby. This cannot be the new wave. Be on the lookout. So she went to meet a girl that named Shauna K2, and that's her name on Instagram. And she was told that she has some baby stuff could give her. When she reached Crossroad, 2 men in a taxi approached her, pushed her and the baby in the car, and took the baby from her. I understand that Jamaica is hard, and a lot of times we want to believe that people are still good, but with the amount of missing women and children, people should be very, very scared to just meet people on social media and go meet them in real life, especially in a place like Jamaica. I want to read some of these comments. It says, I hope she get back her baby, but why were you bringing your baby to see a total stranger? The fact that she sent the picture of the so-called things she's giving you, you couldn't manage them with the baby. It's sad, and you have to think through things. I hope you get the baby and that which goes to prison. From Missy that Missy red flag, it's 2019. I said some of y'all are so heartless in the comments though. I'm sure the mother of the child wasn't thinking that a woman would want to steal her baby after posing as a helpful friend at the time. Is either y'all gonna help her get the baby back, pray for her, or shut the hell up. May God rest his hands upon whosoever took that child. He or she will be tormented until that child is returned safely. Honestly, a lot of people like bring God into things like this, but this means you need to have common sense, and sometimes God relies upon you to have sense and do what is right. I honestly can't fathom losing my child, because honestly trying to get help for him, it's very sad and disheartening that people will go as far as stealing children now. But you guys see the world that we're living in is not like how it used to be. So women need to be very, very careful when accepting things from people, especially when they're saying they're helping you. Be very, very careful. I did giveaways on my channel for moms in Jamaica, and I sent the packages to them. I didn't make them meet anybody to pick anything up because of this very reason. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any information, please tell the police. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.